How to download alternate watch. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download alternate watch on your PC or laptop. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser, and once you're inside here, just search in for alternate watch came just like this, and you should see the first link which will be providing the official alternate watch game. So once you're inside here, just scroll all the way down until you see this download option. So basically, if you want to download old version of zip, you can simply select between these, or if you prefer raw version, you can go for this. But if you prefer the latest version and the zip, which I will go for, just simply click on this download at the first link over here and wait for some time. And as you can see, my download has already started. So once it gets downloaded, you can simply open the file from your download section and simply view the file from over here. So just simply right click on it over here, and you can just simply extract the file from over here. Once it gets extracted, you can simply view the file from over here and simply head over to this directory over here and just click on alternate watch and click on binaries Windows 64, and you can see the application from over here, and you can simply run it from over here as well. So if you can't find it, you can also run it from over here as well. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.